Some boats keep the sea at a distance. The Azimut S10 pulls it right up to your feet, built by Azimut in Avigliana, Italy. 94 feet of flagship sport yacht, designed for the kind of day that starts at the stern, not the helm. Twin diesels get you up on plane fast and hold there. Past 30 knots when you want it and easy cruise when you don't. You're past the breakwater and into open water before the coffee's even done. And there's enough boat under you to keep that pace all the way to the next harbor. Sea Infinity Terrace. Open to the sky, open to the swim step, one level down from the aft deck. Cockpit doors slide back. Flybridge opens up top. 3 ways onto the water, all on one boat, so nobody's ever stuck waiting for a turn at the rail. The stern terrace turns into a beach club the second you drop anchor. Towels out, swim step down, the whole crew in the water in under a minute. The flybridge is where the afternoon goes when the sun's out. Loungers, shade, a clear line of sight to every direction you might want to run next. 4 cabins mean the whole trip can be a multi-day run, not just a day out, with room for guests who came for the ride and crew who keep it easy. And the dining room slides open to the terrace, so nobody has to choose between the table and the view, whether it's breakfast at Anchor or dinner running back at golden hour. This isn't a boat you admire from the dock. It's a boat where the line between inside and outside stops mattering by the second afternoon, and the only real decision left is which deck to watch the sunset from. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.